Hi there. We're going to go over some elimination problems in which you come upon some interesting cases. So for example, if we look at problem 1 here, we want to eliminate x. So in order to do that, I'm going to multiply the top equation by 3 in order to get the the x's to line up. So we get a 6x plus 9y equals 18. Then I add these two equations to eliminate x, and we see that we may have eliminated a little more than we had intended. Now we get 0x plus 0y. We end up with 0 equals 0. Sometimes you can work through these elimination problems and the variables are gone, and you're left with a true statement, and that actually has a specific meaning. What that means is that these two are in fact the same line, and we have infinite solutions. And we sometimes will call it, or textbooks will call it, a dependent system. Okay, so that's what happens, or that's what the case is if you get a true statement. They are the same line, we have infinite solutions. Any solution of that line would be a solution to this system. Let's check out number 2. So let's go back to eliminating x. So I'm going to multiply this top equation by 2 again. So if I multiply by 2, I get 8x minus 10y equals 16. I sum these two equations, and I get 0x plus 0y equals positive 6. 0 equals 6. Okay. Well, this is not true. This is a false statement, and it has a very specific meaning. What that means is these two lines are in fact parallel, and that they do not intersect. So if you get a case like this, where you get a false statement, what that means is that there is no solution, and that we have parallel lines. Some textbooks call this an inconsistent system. So in summary, you work through a problem, the variables are gone, and you get a true statement. What that means is that we have a dependent system, and it's the two equations are actually the same line, and we have infinite solutions. The same line intersects itself infinitely many times. The second case, if you work through a problem and you get a false statement, what that means is that we have two parallel lines. They don't intersect anywhere. It's no solution. And sometimes that's called an inconsistent system. I hope this helped. Good luck.